I choose the topic usability evolution of user interface in software systems is the process of testing how user-friendly and easy to use software user interface is. The goal is to improve the interface, to improve user satisfaction and efficiency. Here you can see our research goal. In short, is the rationale for the importance of evaluating is the usability of user interfaces in software systems as follows. Firstly is user satisfaction. Next is efficiency and productivity. Thirdly is error reduction. Let's start with usability metrics definition. There are have 5 definitions. Firstly is learnability. Learning assesses how quickly a new user can master the interface and start using it without additional training. They include understanding the main functions and operations. Next is efficiency. Efficiency measures how quickly and easily experienced user can perform tasks using the interface. This is due to the number of action or the time required to complete certain tasks. Next is memorability. Memorability assesses how easily user can remember how to use the interface after stopping it for a while. This is due to have easy it is for users to return to have to the system without initial training. Next is errors. This metric assesses the friendly and the types of errors made by user when using the interface, as well as have to correct them. Next is specifications. Specification assesses the overall user experiences of using the interface. This includes emotional reactions and the overall certificate from interacting with the systems. In the end, it all gives high scores on these metrics contribute to a more pleasant and affectionate user experiences, increasing user satisfaction and the likelihood of returning to the product. Now let's move on to judgment usability. The intuitivity of developers and planners can sometimes befall. The terminology of developers and designers does not always coincide with the terminology to which author or are customate. Everyone is different, so there is no such thing as an average user. Instructions and guidance for deciding issues of usability and easy of use are not complete. The information required from the user by phone or email is not sufficient to make an assessment of the product quality. The time, money, and the money of resources spent on testing are always recouped. Next is to subject municipality to let's look at the test plans. Firstly, planning user testing sessions, developing a detailed plan for conducting user testing session with clear objectives and test scenarios. Next is conducting user testing, engaging participate to interact with the software interface and observe their behavior and feedback closely. Analyzing user testing results, thoroughly examine collected data to identify stability issues and areas from improvement. Um, inter, Iterative improvement based on user feedback. After conducting user testing, it's essential to analyze the feedback, identify any uses and implement necessary changes. This interactive process always for continuous improvement based on user input. You have feedback analysis, reviewing user comments and observations, and identifying uses and implements changes. Suggested recommendations includes simplifying decision, optimizing navigation, and incorporating feedback mechanisms. This includes reducing unnecessary elements, using constant decision and bright color schemas, revising the menu structure, including intuitive navigation methods, and developing information labels. And the end. In conclusion, to improve the user experience and efficiency of software systems, three main aspects should be focused on changing the design, improving navigation, and incorporation feedback, simplifying design, optimizing navigation, and creating user feedback mechanisms will help to create more user-friendly and attractive interfaces. This measure contribute to improving user satisfaction and system efficiency. Next, you look to resource. That's all. Thank you for attention.